So I don't normally talk behind the camera in my videos, but in this one it's gonna be just a little bit different. This will be a super short video just going over what my experiences have been in the last year owning these eBay headers on my E46 330 Ci. First off, the headers have turned this beautiful gold color. I like that a lot. Unfortunately, it's amplified the fingerprints that were on it, but that's just a cosmetic thing. More importantly though, all the welds have been holding up very nicely. Nothing's cracked, nothing's leaking. They've been working perfectly well since I installed them. And I just want to go over outside the car so everybody can see it really well what I had to do to the O2 sensors. The post-cat O2 sensors were the only ones that had to be modified. And as you can see, this one, all we did was add a 90-degree angle piece, which can be found on eBay for about $15. I'll have that in the link in the description below, as well as the headers themselves. So that's the only thing we had to do to get banks 1 through 3 to fit. Now 4 through 6, we had to actually cut the bung off and weld this cap in there. These came with the headers, and then we moved the bung down about 2 inches and then kicked it over to the left. 1 through 3 fit without any modifications as well, but it's very close to the other header, so we make sure to use this wire wrap to keep the heat from melting the wires. So there it is, the 1-year ownership of my eBay headers. It's a pretty short video, there's not much to it because these have just been pretty carefree the entire time I've had them. I'm gonna be putting a couple of clips at the end of this video so everybody can hear what the exhaust sounds like, and definitely make sure to check out that install video.